Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. In this video, I will show you how to add RAM extend or virtual RAM on Realme Note 50. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Okay, first thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to About Phone. Next, tap on RAM. After that, enable RAM expansion. Click it. You can add virtual RAM on your device until 4 GB. I choose 4 GB. Next, click back. Oh, you can see new memory will take effect after you restart your device. You must to restart your device. Click restart now. Okay, wait a minute to turn on your device. Okay, finish. I will check my memory. Yep, successfully to add my virtual RAM. So this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.